You're doing it wrong. Your PC isn't actually shutting down. If you think clicking the shutdown button completely powers off your PC, think again. Here's the proof. Hey everyone, I discovered something surprising while shutting down my PC. Take a look. By opening Task Manager and checking under the CPU Performance tab, it shows my PC hasn't been truly turned off for the last 3 hours. Now, let's shut down the PC the traditional way and see what happens when I turn it back on. I've powered it back on, so let's check Task Manager again. As you can see, it still shows that my PC hasn't been turned off in the last 3 hours. So, why does this happen? Is it a Windows glitch? Here's the real reason. Starting with Windows 8, Microsoft changed how shutdown works. When you click the shutdown button, your PC actually goes into hibernate mode, not a full shutdown. This is designed to make startup faster when you turn your PC back on. But if you want to completely shut down your PC, here's the fix. Hold down the Shift key while clicking on the shutdown button. This forces a full shutdown. Now let's try it. After shutting down properly with the Shift key, I'll turn the PC back on and check Task Manager again. After shutting down the PC correctly, I've turned it back on. Now, let's open Task Manager and see the results. Here it is. It starts from 0. This proves your PC will fully shut down only when you press Shift while clicking Shutdown. Try it yourself and see the difference.